Alright YouTubers, here we have this Casablanca 19th century in vintage pewter. Has about a 2-foot downrod on it. With the canopy cover, it's fully complete. The fan works fine, the light has a bit of an issue. It works when the fan's on like this. If I turn the fan off, it goes into this flickering kind of thing. Thinking it's part of the board for the lighting controls. It's not really a crucial issue, I think. So as long as the fan's on, it has no issues. There's the fan back on, it's perfectly fine. So it's kind of odd. That's the dimmest thing. I can brighten it and lower it still. So just try and brighten it up real fast. That was it turning off. Alright, so let's go ahead and just do the fan with the light off. It looks better. So this is speed 1. Let's go ahead and go to speed 2. Like I said, this fan will become as is. It probably needs some work on the lighting. One of the light arms is a little bent, a little loose. I'm going to tighten it before I ship it out, but it should be fine. But yeah, honestly, good fan overall. So there's speed 2. Let's go ahead and go speed 3. I'm using the Casablanca wall control for this fan. It does come with this fan, this control, so it's 100% complete. That's the 3rd speed. Let's go ahead and go speed 4. Speed 4. Let's go ahead and go to speed 5. Last but not least, speed 6. The fan works flawlessly in both forward and reverse. Spin that light back on again. So like I said, while the fan's on, the light has no issues. It can run perfectly fine. It's dim speed in the fan. Like I said, the only thing from the fan off that really has an issue, it's just probably the lighting board side of the fan. It's not really that big of an issue, I think. And as it is, this fan's not going to be priced super high. So yeah. Let's go turn the light back off. Let's go ahead and do the reverse. And those are the original crystal shades that come with this fan, so those will be sent with it. Let's go ahead and do reverse again. And then we'll do power our fan off. There we go. So yeah, like I said, Casablanca 19th century. I don't see really any issues with the blades. Look good, everything's good, it's very well balanced. And yeah, it's complete. And so the only thing I see as the main issue is the light control board. Let's go and turn the lights on just so you can see how bad it is with the fan off. Let's go ahead and go to full brightness. Oh, we can't go to full brightness because it's strobing out. Low speed. Back to being solid. Brighten it. It still has an issue when it gets like the full brightness, and then it's weird. Like I said, it's just an issue this fan has. It's more than likely the lighting control board. You get no control out of it after that. But either way, as long as you use this fan sparingly or replace the lighting board, it'll be fine. Heck, I might even have a lighting board I can switch out. But yeah, and here's the control for it. Thanks for watching.